Most online marketers don't actually have a traffic problem. Instead, they suffer from a massive clarity problem. You post, promote, and maybe get a few leads. But you're stuck wondering, who is actually serious? Free signups are easy. Knowing who takes action is hard. What if a system did all the thinking for you? Tracking everything to show you who is ready to buy. One simple, automated system. Free to join. Push-button setup. Stop working harder. Start seeing exactly what works. If you want clarity, you have found it. Start free.